Hey guys, welcome to this new video. My name is Kingsley from kingowner.com, and in this channel I talk about tech, blogging, make money online and lots more guys. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a website using Google Sites. Guys, this platform is a very nice platform. It's offered by Google. You can use it to create a stunning, beautiful website and that you can use for your businesses and for your purposes. So guys, before I dive straight into this video guys, I want you to do a few things for me. If you're new to this channel, why don't you just come to this place and hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification bell beside it so that you get awesome notifications when I drop amazing videos like this. So guys, without wasting your time, let's dive straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is make sure you're logged into your Google account. As you can see here, this is a picture of me, so it indicates that I'm logging in. I'm logged in into my Google account. So make sure you are logged in into your Google account before you can use this platform. So the first thing you want to do is to come to this search bar and type in new Google Sites. So guys, make sure you type in this stuff because there's an older version of new Google Sites, but when you type in new Google Sites, it's gonna bring you directly to the new site builder. So you click on enter. So you can see here it says new Google Sites. So I'll click on new Google Sites right now, and it's going to bring me straight into this site builder. So guys, as you can see, I talked about logging into your Google account. As you can see, this is my picture. It indicates that I've logged in into my Google account. So make sure this is showing your picture in your, so to get that you're logged in into your Google account. So guys, before we start creating what we want to create today, I want to tell you that everything here is going to be stored on your Google Drive, and that's why it's good to log into your Google account before you come here to create any website. So make sure you're logged in again to your Google account, and everything is going to be stored on your drive. So let's dive straight into it. So the first thing we're going to do right now is, as you can see, this is the platform. It's very easy guys. This is just a drag and drop affair. Like, it's very easy to create this stunning website, because you will see how we create this beautiful website. So the first thing we want to do is to pick a template gallery. This is a template gallery, so we just need to pick a template, or we can start from scratch, as you know, but let's just pick a template. So we'll edit the template to our own taste and liking. So I just picked this template right now. So it's loading up. It's gonna bring me to the interface where I can edit every single part of this template. So guys, here we are. This is the template I chose, and it's brought me to this interface. So I'm going to edit every single part of this website and make it very, 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 very beautiful. So guys, the first thing I want to do is, like I told you, using this platform is very easy. All you need to do is just click on any thing, or you can even add elements. It's just drag and drop. So I've just clicked on this restaurant name. So I want to change this name. I want to change the name of this website. I want to remove restaurant name. So I'm going to type in I'm going to type in King Obina. King Obina. So it should be the name of this website, King Obina. Let me add space here. So I'm going to write a short description. Let me remove this and let me say something like the best website in the world. You kind of get what I'm trying to do. I want to fill this text with. So I just wrote this, and as you can see, it's not in the middle. Like it's supposed to, I want it to be at the middle of this the website name. So what I'm going to do is to click on this place. So I'm going to click here to adjust it. I can easily shift it to where I want to. It's here. I don't want it to be here, so I just clicked on it right now, so I can easily drag it to this place. So guys, this platform is very easy to use. It's just about using dragging and dropping everything, every single thing you need. So what's happening? So let me just delete this for the meantime. So I just removed the header and the description, so I can decide to add all these things back. So let me add header section right now. I think so let me remove this and type in King open. Should be the name of this website. So I've typed it in. I can decide to add a logo. So I clicked on add a logo. So it's a brand new logo. I can upload my logo to this, to this website right now, but I'm not gonna upload that right now. But you can see it said upload. So if I add my logo on my computer, I just click on upload and it's gonna upload my logo to this interface. So I think I don't need a logo right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on add a section, so I can just add so I just click on display text box. So I'm going to drag it to this interface right now. So I'm going to add in my the title of this website. So let me say best product review website. So I just did that. So I'm going to make it align it to the middle. As you can see, it's in the middle right now, and I can decide to make it bold. I'm going to highlight it and make it bold right now. So I made it bold. So as you can see, it's bold enough. So I can say to title. This is it. So guys, so let me change this to capital letter. Let me change these stuffs to capital letter. So guys, this website I'm creating, I'm not even paying for it, and you can see how easy it is. So this is best product review. This is the header. So I'm going to remove this this part. It says reservations. No, I don't need it. So we just click on this stuff and say book now. Yes, book now. Book now, and click on update. So you can see this is a call to action button. Book now. It's added straight up into our. So the first thing, this website is our product review. I think I don't need this image. So what I'm going to do right now is to click on it, and it's going to ask me what did I want, if I want to remove it totally or if I want to add a new image. So I'm going to say I think I want to add a new image. So or then just remove it. So I just removed that image right now, so I can decide to add my own image, right? So just click on image, say upload or select. I'll click on select, so I could just select an image from from the one we have in Google here. So I'm going to do photos. So these are the photos or the images in my computer. So I can decide to search Google for images as well. So I'm not going to do that right now. I think I'll use the one I have on my on my computer already. So let me say I want to make use of this one. So it's gonna come straight up here. So I'm gonna drag it to fit into this bar or box. So I'm gonna drag it right down to drag it down as well. I think it's okay right now. Okay, and I could also take it up. I think I want it to be placed here. Yes. So as you can see, guys, this is just a drag and drop. So you can literally drag any thing. Like you can literally drag any single thing here and edit it and place it where you want it to be placed. So guys, these are just one of the features. So let's say I still want to get new columns. Maybe I want to get to add more images for my website, or I want to also upload videos on this website. So the first thing I want to do here is to click on YouTube. So guys, you can upload videos, or you can embed videos directly from YouTube into this website. So guys, I just clicked on YouTube. So it asked me to search on YouTube. So I have YouTube channel and some videos. So I'm going to use my video. So I click on it, I select the video I want to use. So it literally brings this video to this place. So I can drag it and place it where I want it to be placed. So I want the video to be placed here. And guys, can see, so after the name, the call to action, you see an image and you see a YouTube video placed right here. So guys, you can see, and this is just basic feature. So you can literally click and drag anything and add any features to this website. So guys, this is just the first page. So if I want to add another page, I'll just click on pages and say okay, these are the pages we have here. So I can decide to say, okay, I just finished the home page. This is the contact me page. So you can see this contact me page here. What I'll do is to edit every single part of it as well, so that it's going to match what we're doing right now. So I can just, as usual, click on this image right here. I know, maybe remove it and add my own features. Let me say I want to add let me add a video as well. I can add a new video here. Click on it and then select the video I want to add. Let's say I want to add this video. So you're gonna bring it right here. I'll just drag it up to where I want it and place it here. This is where I want the video. So what I'll do is increase the size of the video, so it's gonna look perfect. I think it's okay right now. So I'll also increase the size here. So guys, as you can see, everything I'm doing here is just drag and drop. Just click on anything you want to edit and drag and drop any feature here. So guys, you can also, another beautiful thing about this is that you can also embed anything on your Google Drive into this website. So guys, you can embed your Google Forms, your slide, your docs, sheets, and anything into this platform and have it embedded into your own platform. Let's say, as you continue to edit, you want to see a preview about how this website will look like on your mobile or on your desktop, and I'm sure you know that this website is going to be mobile friendly. So you just click on preview. So this is how it's going to look on the web, guys. As you can see, it's a professional website that even though you don't even require to buy anything, and all the features we have is right here on this platform. So I can add more features, add more text, add more images, add more things to this website to make it beautiful. So guys, this is how it looks like on desktop. So let's see how it's going to look like on a mobile. So this is how it's going to look like on a mobile phone. So as you can see, it has everything. We added it and it's even looking more beautiful. You can see best product review, book now. This is the image we added. This is the YouTube video we added. These are the texts we added, and this is the footer. So guys, as you can see, it has beautiful images. So this is the the menu. So you can click on contact us now and you see the contact us page. You can also click on anything. You can even add more pages to it. So guys, this is the website we want. So after doing the review and a preview, and you're satisfied with what you just created, as you can see, always make use of this site, because this is where you're gonna add anything you want to add to your website, guys. So let's say after making this website, I'm satisfied with what I just make and I'm super excited about it, and I want to publish it to the world. It's very easy. What I'll need to do is click here. First thing first, guys, make sure you follow this step. First thing first, make sure you click on share with friends. So just click on share with friends. So I said okay, share with people and groups. He said now look at this thing. He said add sharing restriction, control who can share, download, copy and print this file. I said okay, thank you. So it says share with people. Editor can publish, change permission and add new people. I said okay, thank you very much. So add people and groups. I said no. Links, change. Okay, he said only people added can open this link. No, I said no. So I want this website to be public to everyone. So what I'm going to click on is anyone on the internet can find and open this website. I'm going to click here and say yes, done. This is how I want it to be. So make sure you follow that step. Make sure you click on anyone on the web can find and use this website if you want your website to be seen by people. Or else if you don't click that, only the people you give the link can actually see this website. So I just click on anyone can do. So what I'm going to do right now is to click on publish. So it's gonna ask me, okay, what did I want the name of this website to be? So by default is going to have this https sites.google.com/view/ then what you want it to be. So I want it to be called a text, because this is just a test I just did. Let me say test 2. That's the name of the website. So okay, it's not available. So let me say test 142. Okay, it's now also available. Let me say good vibes. Let me say good vibes. That is not available as well. It's been taken. Let me say okay. Let me say real good vibes. So this is available right now. So I can click on request public search engine to not display my website. Of course I want search engine to be able to find and crawl this website, so I'm going to leave it unchecked. So make sure you're following these steps. So guys, so I click on publish right now. So it's going to be published. It's going to click say okay, it's publishing and your site has been published successfully. So the site is now live successfully. So I'm going to click here and this is and copy this link. So anyone that I give this link right now can able to access this website, or they can be able to find this website on Google search engines. So I'm going to test out. I'm going to type in that the link we just copied and see if this website is live. So I just entered the link right here on the website and click on search. Let me see. As you can see guys, this website is live and is currently live now on Google. As you can see, this is the website we just created that has all the features we added. This is the YouTube channel video we added, and this is the image, and these are the text that I can also go on to edit and the rest of them. So and as all these are important pages, contact us page that we just added and everything. So guys, you can see this website builder is a real deal and it's very easy to use. Just drag and drop any single features you want, you can easily do it here. You can add forms, slides, sheets, and the rest of the images, YouTube videos, add more text and layers and everything you want on this platform, guys. So I'm sure you really enjoyed the video. Make sure to like this video, comment, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed. So guys, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to end this video right here, because I've showed you everything you need to know. So if you enjoy this content, why don't you share it to people that actually needs it? And I'll say thank you for watching, and I want to see you guys in my next video, which I'm going to be dropping very soon. So guys, thank you very much for watching.